Russian telegram channels report a drone attack at an oil depot in Tambov region of Russia last night. This video made me think how used we are by now to Russian oil depots burning. I even hesitated whether to post it because the fire looks smallish. In the Yaroslavl region city of Lyubim, a massive fire engulfed a warehouse storing shoes, with the blaze covering an area of 4,800 square meters. The roof partially collapsed during the incident. Meanwhile, in the Moscow region, a construction market also caught fire, further adding to the series of unfortunate events. Footage of an M2 Bradley landing an assault group under the cover of its 25mm in the Novobakhmutivka area of the Donetsk region. Chasiv Yar, Bakhmut district, Donetsk region. The Max Pro crew breaks through under heavy enemy fire. Hell. Real fucking hell. A huge hole in this building in the city of Dnipro where whole families were just 2 hours ago. Russian fascists are not stopping. Russian forces seem to have successfully hit a Ukrainian M270 Mars 2 FARP, forward arming and refueling point. The fires indicate possible fuel and missile reserves being stored there, as for once, we saw the MLRS drive into the facility. However, the aftermath is again bad. President Volodymyr Zelensky emphasized that Ukraine does not want to prolong the war, citing the high number of casualties. He stressed the need to present a settlement plan within several months, aiming for the second peace summit to end the war.
We have to find and to prepare this plan and to put this plan on the table. During months, we don't have too much time because we have a lot of wounded and dead people on the battlefield and through civilians. That's why we don't want to have this war during years. So that's why we want to prepare this joint plan, put it on the table to the second peace summit.
Serbian hooligan caught attempting to smuggle Russian flag in his pants. Kosovo police put it where it belongs.
Что это?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.